What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews, and today I've got my hands on another brand new Android TV box, so stay tuned for the review. So this is the YokaTV KB2 Pro Android TV box. Okay, as soon as I saw this online I had to pick it up. It reminds me so much of the MiCool BB2 Pro. If I bring the MiCool in just to compare, the packaging, everything just looks the same. The MiCool BB2 Pro is a very popular box, a great all-around 8-core box. I've already done a review on this and I'll leave the links in the description so you can check it out. I picked this one up because it looked very similar, and what I want to do is find out which one is better. So as usual, I'm going to begin with a quick unboxing, followed by a few tests, video tests, full HD 4K videos, a few games, testing Kodi performance, and then finishing off with a benchmark and Wi-Fi test. So let's begin with the specs. I'll put the specs on the screen so you guys can have a quick read. So the CPU is a S912 Octa-Core running at 2 GHz. The GPU is a Mali 820 running at 750 MHz. So you got 3 GB of DDR4 RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, Dualband Wifi supporting 2.4 and 5 GHz, BGN and AC. You got Bluetooth version 4, Android version 6 Marshmallow, and this supports Ultra HD 4K videos at 60 frames per second. And this also supports HDR10. So let's get the box open and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box. You got the instruction manual, HDMI cable, the antenna Wi-Fi aerial, a UK power adapter that will just clip on there, and a remote control. Okay, it's already interesting to see you've got a totally different remote control here than what I've seen with any Android TV box. It looks very full featured and I'm looking forward to trying this out. Okay, and the YokaTV itself. Yeah, it feels great. You've got full aluminium design all the way around. You've got the YokaTV logo in the center. Okay, now over here you've actually got a film on top, so you can just remove that, and there you go. So let's have a quick look at all the ports. At the front you've got the KB2 Pro logo, the sensor, and you've got a physical power button there. Okay, on this side you've got the antenna for the aerial, which I'll just screw on right now, and it's easy as that. There you go. On the back you've got a network LAN port, the optical audio connection, you've got the AV port, a HDMI port, and a power socket. On the other side we have 2 USB ports and a MicroSD card slot. And we're back to the front. This is what the bottom looks like. So a very premium design. It's definitely excellent quality. It feels very metal and aluminium, the feel and look. So you got a very solid feel there. So just to compare this unit, it does remind me of the MiCool. I'll bring the MiCool in now. I haven't seen a comparison video for these two, so I might as well throw that in. So you can see one says BB2 Pro, one says KB2 Pro. This one is a dark silver, this one is a light silver. They are identical. Otherwise, all the ports, everything is the same. The design, the feel, the quality feels exactly the same. And MiCool is a very, very good box. So I'm hoping that YokaTV will perform just as well. Okay, the MiCool came with this remote, by the way. I've seen this remote quite a bit with Android TV boxes. So that's the MiCool remote. The YokaTV actually comes with this remote, a much more full-featured remote. So it says TV control at the bottom, so you're able to control your television as well. Yeah, this looks more functional, this remote, so we'll be checking it out. I'm going to hook this up to my TV and my capture card, and we're going to begin all the tests, and we're going to find out how good the YokaTV is. So I'll be right back. So I just connected this box up, and I want to show you guys something really cool. The logo lights up blue when you turn the power on, and so does the front. You've got a front LED as well. So both of these light up blue, which looks awesome. And if I turn the power off or on standby, You see that? It goes to red. I thought that's a really cool looking feature, so I'll show you that first. So I just booted up the box and I want to show you guys the actual loading screen. This is how the box loads up. So this is the home screen for the Yoka TV. The first thing I'm going to do before doing anything or showing you guys anything is go to settings and connect to Wi-Fi. So here's settings, go to network, and I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. So I'll connect this and come right back to you. Okay, so I've connected to my Wi-Fi successfully. If I come back out of the menu, okay, and while I'm here, I want to quickly show you the storage. So you have 26 gigabytes free from 32. So 6 gigs are being used by system resources. Okay, so let's go back up to the home screen. You can see straight away the time is now changed. We've got the correct time there. So over here you can customize and you can add your favorite apps to this. You just choose what you want, click add, and it will automatically show up. And you can see already I've put 3 or 4 apps in there very quickly. So the next section you have is a TV center. That's your Kodi. Then you've got an Explorer, which is file manager. The app drawer, which shows you all your apps, settings, and then the web browser. And in the bottom right hand corner you've got the Wi-Fi connection logo, and if you insert a USB drive that would highlight as well. So if I open the app drawer, so these are the standard apps you get with this box. You've got the Play Store, the browser, you've got Miracast, and you've got Media Center. Miracast will allow you to connect your Android devices that support Miracast, and you'll be able to mirror your screen. You got Media Center here, and that allows you to activate your DLNA and other screen mirroring options. This also comes with AirPin Pro as standard. AirPin Pro is a paid software which they're giving you for free. It's not a trial, it's a full version. And with this software, you have a ton of options for AirPlay and DLNA as well. So you have a whole load of screen mirroring options, the browser, the file manager, movie player, MX player, and Netflix. So these are all your standard apps you get with this box. Another interesting one which I haven't seen before is Shortcut Key. So this box comes with a very fancy remote control, full featured with loads of extra buttons, and you've got something called Shortcut Key here. If I open it up, so now you can actually assign your own shortcuts to the remote control, which I haven't seen before in Android TV box. I haven't even seen that in the Miku BB2 Pro. So this is exclusive to the Yoka TV. If I just test it out, I will assign, say, YouTube to the red button. That makes sense. The green button I will assign to the Play Store. The yellow button I will give to File Manager. You can really choose anything. The blue button I will put the browser in. So I've set 4 shortcuts to this remote control. If I click on Home now, I'll test it out by clicking on the yellow button, which is File Manager. So if I click the yellow button, there you go, File Manager opens instantly. If I open the blue button, I want to see the browser. There you go, and you have the web browser instantly open. So the shortcuts work really good. I really like that feature. So I just downloaded and installed a whole load of my favorite games and apps that I'm going to be using to test this box. So the first thing I like to test is Kodi performance. So if I open up TV Center, which is Kodi. Okay, so I'm on Kodi and I'm going to test out a few 4K samples which I've got on USB stick. So let's start off with the first one. Okay, so the next test I like to do is streaming HD video from YouTube. So let's get YouTube open.
What brings you to the land of the gatekeepers?
I'm searching for someone.
Hi, my name is Michelle, and I am a...
So there you go, guys. That was streaming HD videos on YouTube, and as you saw, it worked superb. Okay, so now we're going to begin our gaming test. The first game I'm going to be testing is Badland.
Who tore up the cage trap? I tell you, that raptor ain't budging until it gets fixed.
Okay, so the next test I'd like to do is the browser test. So let's open up the web browser and let's just load up a site. Okay, so as you can see, web browsing works great. So this TV box was able to achieve 34 megabits per second for download speed and 9 megabits per second for upload speed. So let's do an Antutu benchmark test. So there you have it, guys. The YokaTV has achieved an amazing score of 42,130. So that could be one of the highest scores I've seen recently. Let's see how this compares to the others. So this is my top benchmark performance chart where you can compare all the Android TV boxes that I have reviewed to date. Higher the score, better the overall performance. So as you can see, the YokaTV KB2 Pro has shot straight into number 3. It surprised me with 42,130. So it will be very interesting to see which Android TV box I review next and what overall score it will get. So stay tuned for that. So that was the YokaTV KB2 Pro Android TV box. And as you guys just saw, this performed very well in all the tests that I did. It's great for movies, games and videos. It played 4K videos nice and smooth. So this is a very well made box. It looks great, it works great. So what I'll do is I'll put the links in the description so you guys can check this item out. And if you like it, you can of course go ahead and purchase one for yourselves. So the YokaTV was great for games. I really enjoyed playing games on this. And to play the games, I used this controller. This is the G600 controller. It looks just like the Xbox 360 and it plays very well. I'll put the links to this controller in the description. And I'll also put the links to this keyboard in the description. So this is a mini wireless keyboard with a trackpad, multimedia buttons, navigational, volume control and a full QWERTY keyboard. So I use this in all my TV boxes and I highly recommend it. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you all have a brilliant day.